Good morning and welcome to Thursday. I hope you've thought of something to be thankful for from your last video, but if you didn't, take a chance and do it right now. I said I was thankful for the rain in my last video, so I think right now I'm thankful that the rain didn't take my power away from me. We had some pretty big rain and wind and thunder here last night, so I'm really glad we still have power so I can talk to you guys and put these videos out for you today. So there's my other thankful thing for the day. Let's see. Just for good measure, let's go through this, make sure we're all on the same page for the day. We are on Thursday. It's almost Friday, guys. There's already a video up to help you out with your decreasing order stuff, so make sure you check out that video. I'm going to help you with the application problem in just a minute. Make sure that you're practicing those fives. I know I don't normally ask you guys to turn this in, but remember, when you go to 6th grade, just like in 5th grade that a lot of you figured out, knowing your facts is the #1 way to help yourself out in 6th grade. It'll save you a lot of pain and misery, so be practicing those facts. And then today you can also do that equivalent match game. Make sure that you're playing that because that is your job for tomorrow. So make sure you're ready to go with that. Alrighty, on to our problem of the day. Right here, please remember the packets and everything else you have is set up in weeks, but for some reason these story problems are set up in units. So we're still in Unit 1 until tomorrow, and we're on Day 9 because it's our 9th day of learning in this unit. So make sure you have that one out in front of you. We have Jose is buying fruit for his fruit stand. He needs to purchase 100 pounds of fruit at $2.82 per pound. What is his total cost? All right, so I'm going through. We know that we have a Jose buying fruit for a fruit stand. He's going to buy 100 pounds of fruit, and it's going to cost him $2.82 a pound. That was another tricky one where the chunk was in the middle of a sentence. I hope you caught that. What is his total cost? All right, that question right there actually helps me out a little bit because this word total is already in my question, so I already know where my question mark has to go. It'll be at the end of that bar because I won't know what my total is. Make sure you're getting your sentence in there. Remember, we're talking about Jose and how much it's going to cost him, so make sure your sentence reflects that information. Going on to our model drawing, we've got Jose's fruit cost, and I'm going to throw myself a little label reminder here. Sometimes you guys get all the right numbers and leave a label off, and then we have to mark it wrong. It's very upsetting. So make sure you get your label on there. All right, going on. I've got my starting bar. I'm going to give myself a unit bar to work with here. We've already discussed that we know, I don't know my total. It says it right there, so I'm just going to give myself a question mark there because I don't know my total. It said so. So there's that piece. I've got, let's see, Jack is buying fruit for his fruit stand. Mathematically, that doesn't help me at all. It was just a piece of knowledge that I used to know what I was talking about. So technically, we've got that in right there. Alrighty. I know he needs to purchase 100 pounds of fruit at $2.82 per pound. So I know he's going to buy 1 pound, 2 pounds, 3 pounds, all the way up until he's bought 100 pounds. What's going to go inside that box? If you're thinking $2.82, you are correct. I made it too small to draw it in there, so I'm just going to put it right up here. $2.82. Every single one of those boxes. When he buys the first pound, they're going to charge him that much. The second pound, they're going to charge him that much. Third pound, they're charging that much. All the way up to his 100th pound, where they're going to charge him that much. Okay? Alrighty, now we have to think about our computation. Thankfully, this is going to be a one-step problem. I don't have 2 questions. There's not a whole lot going on. I only have the 1 question mark. So there's only going to be a part A. Let's think about this for a second. I have multiple parts, and I know what each part costs. Does that sound like adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? Technically, there's 2 right answers. If you were thinking adding or multiplying, you are on the right track. One of those will be a lot less painful than the other, though, so really think about what you're doing before you commit to that answer, okay? Alrighty, make sure you get your work in there. And then make sure you send either a picture of this whole paper to your teacher or type them your explanation with the model drawing you drew. If it's going to be an adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing problem, how you did that math, and then your actual final answer so your teacher knows what you've got, okay? No lazy model drawing answers today, guys. Have a great day.